What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Realme 10 smartphone. So we will talk about its design, features, performance, camera quality, display and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Realme 10 is a beautiful looking budget Android smartphone. The build quality of the device is very solid and it gives the impression of a smartphone way above its price segment. The bezels are very thin, it comes with a punch-hole display and the slightly chamfered edges give this device a quite premium look. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The device does not come with any kind of IP certification or water resistance. It comes with a dedicated 3.5mm jack and a dedicated micro SD card slot. Realme 10 comes with light particle design that gives this device a very gorgeous and premium look. Back panel got thousands of glittering particles that shine and give this device a very eye-catching flashy appearance. And the light also bends in a very unique circular way that once again is very beautiful and eye-catching, and because of that the device looks very beautiful and premium. It is just 7.9mm thick and weighs 178 grams, and because of huge screen to body ratio it is very easy to use the device with one hand. And because of the lightweight body, you can use Realme 10 for playing games for hours without putting any strain on your hands. Talking about the display, we got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution and 85% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 410, and because of that the display quality is quite nice. It's bright, it's sharp, colors are punchy, the viewing angles are great, and it is hard to find a 90Hz Super AMOLED display in this price segment. Talking about the performance, Realme 10 comes with Helio G99 octa-core processor and 8GB RAM. Using the RAM expansion feature, you can increase the RAM up to 8GB, so you can have total 16GB RAM on Realme 10, and that's quite impressive as it really helps in multitasking and a smooth user experience. It also comes with 256GB storage by default, that is once again you won't find in other smartphones in this price segment. In terms of performance, considering the hardware specs of the Realme 10, it has scored very nice points in our benchmarking test scores, and considering the hardware specs of the device, the gaming performance of Realme 10 was also quite impressive. The only drawback is that even though the screen supports up to 90Hz refresh rate, all of the games are capped at 60 FPS, but also the hardware of the Realme 10 is not capable enough to run the new high-end titles at 90 FPS. In our stability test, Realme 10 has scored more than 96%. So if you play games for hours on your smartphone, then this is a very important factor for you and you will be happy with the stable performance of Realme 10 while playing games for sure. On the software side, Realme 10 comes with the older Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0 along with lots of bloatwares that you can easily uninstall. But still Realme UI 3 is quite feature rich as it comes with lots of options and settings for customization as well as for improving your productivity. The user interface is very smooth, you won't find any issue while using the device or navigating between the options and settings, and the 90Hz refresh rate display also contributes in this user experience. Realme 10 comes with 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt charging. The battery performance of the device is very impressive. You can easily get more than 10 hours of screen on time on moderate to heavy usage, and using the 33-watt charger, you can charge the battery from 0% to 100% in less than 80 minutes. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is very fast, very accurate, and it works perfectly every single time. Talking about the camera, we got 50 megapixel primary camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So as you can see, there is no wide angle lens provided on Realme 10, and the maximum recording capability is 1080p resolution videos at 60 fps. Personally, I would prefer if there was no depth sensor and instead of that the wide angle lens was provided. In terms of imaging quality, the performance of Realme 10 camera is a bit above average. It is not great, it is not bad as well, but most of the time you will find that images are heavily processed and over sharpened. In sufficient lighting condition, it captures good amount of details, and the low light imaging capability of the device is also quite average, but the dedicated night mode helps a lot in improving the imaging quality in low light situation. The front facing camera performance is actually even better as it captures very good amount of details. In the portrait mode, the depth of field and the bokeh effect is also quite impressive, and it provides overall nice results in different lighting conditions. Overall, Realme 10 is a very solid budget Android smartphone and way above its competition and other smartphones in this price segment. The design and build quality is solid. The screen to body ratio is also quite nice. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. There is dedicated microSD card slot and 3.5mm jack provided. It comes with massive 256GB storage with 8GB RAM that can be expanded up to 16GB. The battery performance is super impressive, and the battery charging speed is also way better than the other smartphones in this price segment. The design is so beautiful, it is very eye-catching, and the 90Hz Super AMOLED display is also something that you won't find on majority of the smartphones in this price segment. Few drawbacks are that there is no wide-angle lens provided in the camera, and it does not come with any kind of water resistance. Other than that, Realme 10 is one of the best smartphone in its price segment in nearly every aspect. Realme 10 is available now in Saudi Arabia at 899 Saudi Riyal, and the link to buy the device is given in the description of this video below. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.